Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by launching Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, so you get direct access. Once open, click More Details to reveal all tabs and columns. Make sure to sort by CPU or memory to spot heavy background processes quickly, and glance at the name and publisher columns to recognize trusted apps versus unknown ones. Once done, right-click a suspicious process to reveal options like End Task and Open File Location, which help confirm what you're about to stop. Now you'll assess each candidate process. Right-click and choose Open File Location to verify the program's folder. If it lives in program files from a known vendor, you'll be cautious. Once you confirm it's safe to stop, right-click and End Task to terminate the process immediately. If it restarts, switch to the Details tab, note the PID and check Elevated Column to see if it needs admin rights. Also, make sure to scan with antivirus if the origin is unclear. To finish, prevent the background process from coming back. Go to the Startup tab and disable its entry, and if it's a service, open Services. MSC and set its startup type to manual or disabled after confirming purpose. Make sure to reboot to verify the change. If the process persists or if system instability appears, boot into safe mode and run a full antivirus and malware scan. If you need to reverse decisions, re-enable the startup item or service and document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.